Look outside, kids. Can you see the big letter A floating in the sky?
Wow! Yes, it's so big! A is for apple.
Now we're flying past the giant letter B shining below us.
Yay! B is for ball. We love to play with it.
There it is, the huge letter C glowing bright near the clouds.
Oh, C is for cat. Meow, meow.
And now look down. A giant D is standing tall on the ground.
Ha! D is for dog. Woof, woof.
Up ahead, the shining letter E is floating above the hills.
Yay! E is for elephant. So big and strong.
Look there, the giant F is glowing in the blue sky.
F is for fish, swimming fast in the water.
Over the trees, I see a giant G standing tall.
G is for grapes, sweet and yummy.
Now passing by the letter H glowing near the clouds.
H is for hat. We wear it on our heads.
Look at that shining I standing straight in the air.
I is for ice cream, cold and tasty.
There's a big J floating near the mountains.
J is for juice, fresh and sweet.
Look, a glowing K is flying with us.
K is for kite, flying high in the sky.
Down below, the letter L is shining bright.
L is for lion, the king of the jungle.
Look, the big M is floating near the rainbow.
M is for mango, so delicious.
I see the letter N shining on the ground.
N is for nest, where birds live.
Ahead is a big O glowing in the air.
O is for orange, round and juicy.
Now comes the shining P.
P is for parrot, green and talking.
Look, a giant Q is glowing near the clouds.
Q is for queen, wearing a crown.
There's the big R floating in the sky.
R is for rabbit, hopping so fast.
Look at the shining S below us.
S is for sun, bright and warm.
Now a giant T is glowing near the mountains.
T is for tree, giving us shade.
Look outside. A big U is floating in the sky.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry in rain.
There's the shining V ahead.
V is for van, driving on the road.
Look, a glowing W is standing tall below.
W is for watch, ticking time.
See the big X glowing in the sky.
X is for xylophone, playing music.
Ahead, a shining Y is floating near the rainbow.
Y is for yak, strong and furry.
Finally, look at the big Z glowing brightly.
Z is for zebra, black and white stripes.